All right. Today I will be going over the past few days trade recaps, some dubs, some L's. And so starting off, this was Monday, April 15th. And so boom, open right here. I was expecting these lows to get taken. All this sell side right here, equal lows right here. And I was expecting price to go lower, especially right here. We got a huge imbalance right here. And then we ended up coming into this imbalance. And then I shorted this inverse right here. I took a short, boom. And the reason why I took profit right here is because of this imbalance right here, which it perfectly rejected off of. But then we ended up coming back, and I believe we created an SMT right here. So this right here, if I didn't short this, by the way, but if I shorted this would have been a way better setup. But either way, I got that dub right there. Let me delete all this. That was a small little dub. I took profit right here. Had some runners still, but definitely need to take profit there because of that imbalance, which y'all can see rejected off. I would have got stopped out if I didn't take profit and move or either take profit or move my stop to break even is what I should have done, and what I did do. So it would have been fine even if I just moved my stop to break even. That still would have been okay, but I just decided to take profit. Okay, let me actually zoom out on this real quick just to see what was up. Alright, so on the higher time frame, we swept this. We were in another imbalance, had a bunch of sell side. I was definitely bearish. Alright, let's go back to this. I did take another trade right here, and I lost. Now this trade, okay, I don't think I had my stop all the way down there, but I don't know where I had my stop. But I took an inverse right here. Okay, what did I do wrong in this trade? First of all, this is not an A+ setup at all, for many reasons. First off, we didn't sweep these, and these are equal lows, which created triple equal lows as I took that long. Second of all, on the higher time frame, we were just very bearish, and there wasn't really any liquidity to grab up here. There wasn't any equal highs or anything that was really. It's not a bad trade, but it's definitely not a good trade. The reason why I took the trade and why it's not as bad is because we swept all this right here. So I just assumed that price would reverse, which it did not, and I was wrong. And what I learned from this is that price is just not going to reverse just because we swept a little bit of some lows. It definitely could, but I just need to be more patient next time. And it just wasn't a high quality setup. I didn't even have much conviction in this setup. It just wasn't really a good setup. But what my plan was taking profit up here I was expecting this to get hit at least, but did not happen. All good, not a very good trade at all. Well, the reason why it's not a really good trade at all is because we literally created equal lows, triple equal lows, which I should have seen and definitely not traded that. A very dumb trade, especially because the equal lows. All right, next. And another bad thing I did is I risked a lot. I risked 1%, which is a lot for me, and I definitely shouldn't have done that. So yeah, next time I can't risk that much on a stupid trade. All right, next. Boom. This was a good trade. This happened yesterday. Wait, isn't there another trade I missed? Or am I tripping? Oh, no, I'm tripping. Alright. Yeah, so came down into a 5-minute. I think it's also a 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute. Filled that in all the way. What the heck? We had equal highs up here, more highs up here. And a bunch of liquidity just stacked up right here. Obvious low resistance right here. That was my main draw, or actually my main draw were these equal highs. These were both my main draws, which was I was very confident in these getting hit. So, yep, tapped into that gap right there. And then I waited for this to get disrespected. Once that, I took the trade. Boom. Went to the moon, baby. Took some profit, like somewhere in the middle of this, and then took the rest out up here. And yeah, good trade. Alright, I think there's one more trade, and then I'll be going over what happened today. Which I did not take a trade today. Did I take any other trades? I think that's it. Alright, that's it. Alright, today. What happened today? This is what happened today. You came up, created these somewhat equal highs. And how the heck, bro? And I was bullish for the day. Didn't see any setups. Boom, this got swept. I was looking for setups here. Saw nothing. Boom, boom, boom. All this got swept. All this liquidity got swept. I was definitely looking for a setup over here. After this happened, I was looking for some sort of long over here. Nothing, I didn't see anything. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. PM session I haven't even looked at, honestly. So PM session, let's see what happened. Okay, whoa, okay, so we're in this right here, which I didn't even notice at all. But yeah, other than that, I don't really see much. there's these equal highs right here. Okay, I like this trade right. I like this. I like this long because of this. All this right here. All this liquidity right here. Stacked up. Obvious draw. Plus these equal highs. And then we swept this. I don't like that we created equal lows, but we did sweep these. And then boom. But yeah, it wanted to come take these highs before it took these lows, which is what happened. So yeah, this wouldn't have been very bad at all. Yeah, it's not bad. Would I have taken it? I don't know. Maybe. Possibly not, just because of this price action. It just looks really weird. I just don't really like the way it's moving right here. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it.